Alright, so today is a fun-filled, busy day. This Sunday. It's what I do. Sundays I focus on my business. It's November, so around this time I'm starting to kind of like die down. Not meaning die down, not doing more with it. It's just I focus on what I need to do from month to month. I don't even know if that even made any sense, but let's just give you a rundown of what today I'm going to be doing. First, I changed my clothes and put on my glasses and makeup because, well, just lipstick. Just so I could finish recording. This is what I'm wearing, guys. So I had on the hoodie to this. This is by Pink, actually. It's by Pink. I had on the hoodie to this and just put this on. This is from Shein. I've had it for a while now, and I'm wearing my comfy Adidas as of right now. And today's fun day is a lot of recording. I'm doing a lot of tutorials. You guys don't know, I run an online school that teaches you how to make wigs. And not just making wigs, I'm going off into the hair loss sector, which means I'm going to start teaching how to make medical wigs, toppers, toupees, men or male units, children's wigs. I'm going to be teaching all of that online, and I'm going to be touring and doing a hands-on course. Well, I currently do hands-on courses now with making wigs, but I'm going to be touring around the United States and back to South Africa to teach on how to make medical units or units for hair loss purposes. So that's what I'm doing today, is focusing on that part of my business. I have a lot of tutorials that I just finished editing actually earlier this morning because I got up a little bit early, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm about to do now. Alright, so I'm uploading a video onto my WIGMAKING101 channel, which you guys probably are not subscribed to. You probably want to go there. But I'm uploading a video right now on making the pixie cut wig using your sewing machine, 27-piece, and a lace frontal. Here is what that wig looks like. I'm going to be doing a live today at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on cutting and styling pixie cut wigs, but this is what it looks like at the moment. I am going to need to color the hair. Well, the frontal needs to be black so that it matches this hair as well, but that's done and ready to go for my live tutorial. I am styling some wigs for a client right now. I've been recording all of that, and I'm going to finish editing those today. I am getting ready to record on product photography. And when I mean product photography, I'm talking about product photography when it comes to, here we go. Product photography when it comes to your wigs and selling wigs. So we're starting off with the wigs first, and then I'll start talking about product photography for medical units for children and things like that. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on 3-point lighting, how to do a 360 photography on your units. So I'll show you guys what I mean. So this is the kind of like the thing. It's a 360 product photography graph. This is how you're able to do all of the pictures that's needed in order to put it in a software that allows you to pan back and forth to get the wigs, to see the full 360 of the wig. Meaning you need front, back, and both sides of the wig. Now you can get away with just those 4 images if you're learning. I'm going to be doing that in the tutorial anyway, but I wanted to show that so that those of my students that are actually selling their custom wigs, they know how to do their own product photography and set up their websites and things like that. And if they're not able to do it, I would recommend them hiring a photographer or hiring me. To prepare for the live. I use my cell phone to do everything. Well, not everything. Sometimes I end up using my computer too. But there are some steps that I do make sure that I do before I get started, I do want to make sure that my phone is on do not disturb mode, because I don't want calls and things coming in while I'm in the middle of educating. And I use Zoom. It's a conferencing style app, and not only can you join in by phone and listen, but because this is a hands-on training thing that I do online, I make sure I provide the link for the video. So everything is done video format. Like I'm talking to you in video, that's exactly what I'm doing with my students on my cell phone. So I'm checking to make sure of that. And like I said, I use Zoom to do everything. So I'm just kind of preparing myself to get started, because I start in 10 minutes. And all right then. So let's start with first things first. We can't make this too long of a video because I have a meeting with someone right after that's going to benefit everybody in Wig Making 101. So all right, so live is done. The wig is over there. Tutorial is done. I'm on my iPhone that I was using in order to do the live tutorial, the live course. I have two phones, so this one is actually my business phone, and I like to use it because, okay, whatever. But I just hate that I had to go to this because I use a Polaroid cube. I probably am going to purchase another one. Reason why, or either just buy more of these SD cards, micro SD cards, because I recorded the whole time that you've seen it in the clips. I recorded the whole time there, and so the battery goes dead after a while, and then I have to charge it. And if I'm still in the middle of recording my vlogs now, unfortunately, I have to switch over to something else. So I hate doing it on my phone because it seems like it's a hassle. I got to remember to go back to it and get the video or whatever. But hey, that's what I did with my other videos. I've used all three of my cameras. I've used my iPhone, I've used my Polaroid cube, and I used my Sony V5000 or something like that. So I feel like I need more cameras, but why, when our phones can do all of that? I know what to do. It's just annoying. So I just finished, as you can see, I just finished editing the live. So what I do is I download it from Zoom, and then I edit it, and then I put it onto the website. That's what I do. So I just finished it. I'm waiting on it to finish loading, and then I'm going to put it on my platform and go from there. I have a online meeting in like 1 minute. Oh my God, guys, I have a meeting in like 1 minute, and it's a business deal. So, oh, she's here. Cool. So, welcome. So that meeting took about an hour and 15 minutes. It was amazing. We are going to be completing NDAs. If you don't know what that means, that's non-disclosure agreements. So there's only so much information I can tell you right now, even though I haven't signed one yet. There's only so much information I can tell you, but in a nutshell, we're doing some really, really big things in the hair industry that has more than likely and may never actually come to fruition unless it's through us. And maybe I'm being a little egotistical about it, but I am working with some very amazing women, and I have worked with some other amazing people too, and still working with them. So I am truly a serial entrepreneur. I do understand where my role is with all of the different businesses that I am a part of, and I am just an educator, a trainer. I can pull things together when it comes to, I know where my role is. That was just say that. But this was an amazing meeting, and it was very much informational on all of our parts because we all come with different aspects and experiences in the hair industry. So that's what this meeting was about. Another company we're going to be building. And yeah, again, I hate doing things on my cell phone, but it kind of looks really good right now. Looks really good. So I'm going to finish what's going on back there because I need to finish that for my current Wig Making 101 students. And I'm about to start doing some social media posting of that pixie wig that I just finished doing a live tutorial of. But it's 4:46. I probably only got maybe about an hour or two to go shop and enjoy myself. So that's what I'm about to go do. All right, so it looks like I gotta continue my blog on my phone because this thing, look, it hasn't finished powering up, or whatever you want to call it. It hasn't finished charging. So show you some things I got. We all can't go nowhere with bad breath. I like to use Listerine over toothpaste. That's just my thing. I still brush my teeth, but I use Listerine, shake that a little bit, and then just brush my teeth with water. I brush morning and night. Turks and Caicos. If you guys remember, like the way I like to do my makeup is different now, but this actually works just as well. Well, that's not what I want to say, but Turks and Caicos blush and highlighter or bronzer. I like this. I bought 2 of them, and I'm not a fan of buying stuff that I don't need, so just being honest with you guys, I get enough stuff in my email of sponsorships and things like that, so I'd rather not pay for clothes and things like that because I get them through sponsorships. Being a YouTuber, one of the perks. I went to Five Below because that's my favorite place to go when I do want to buy little trinkets and things to reward myself for a very accomplished day, even though the day isn't actually done. It's 6:45 and it's already dark. I need a bike seat cover because my gym, not Planet Fitness, what the heck? Nothing wrong with Planet Fitness, but my gym, LA Fitness, they have a cardio class, bike, cycle. What? They have a cycling class, and I want one of these for my seats. So they had these for $5 at Five Below. That's amazing, and my cute little